My name is Nicholas DeBruyne and this is the Archaeopteryx. The Archaeopteryx means the first known bird to evolve from dinosaurs. So it marks an important leap in the story of evolution on Earth. And we use that really as a starting point to conceptualize a piece which is all about bringing people together and the message that in order for us to evolve as a human race, we have to work together. We actually had this idea long before the theme of metamorphosis for this year was announced, and then it just fit so perfectly that it seemed like it had to be. It's been an amazing process from start to finish and has required full-time work for the past 6 months. But it's a lot of coordination, particularly with an international team and the nature of working across multiple time zones. We built a number of prototype models. It was simulated digitally and all prefabricated off-site. So we've designed in a lot of features to sort of mitigate the wind, like this safety stop here, so it limits the range of motion, and you'll notice another safety wire up there. So it's all spring hung and balanced with these counterweights. We had a number of engineers working on the project. I was able to, with my architectural background, do the planning, the draftsmanship and the construction, but that's where my skills sort of ended, and I had to bring on board people to lead the fundraising campaign and the creative direction of that process, or the technical aspects of it and the programming and the lighting, and engineers to point out areas where it might not withstand 75-mile-an-hour winds. People are really interested during the day in how it's made and the craftsmanship, I think. And then at night time, when the lights come on, it's a lot more of just a place to hang out. The sails actually get projection mapped at night with a real-time simulation of a microcosm. And a microcosm is a fantastic word because it's all of the microscopic, most basic, elemental forms of life in sort of a petri dish. So it's like the world made small, a total glimpse of the whole world in a bite-sized piece. I think the thing about Burning Man is you have true freedom of thought. And I love the ability that it's please touch the art, not do not touch the art, and you're able to come up close with it, and you're able to go big and think big. And you know, we wanted to do this because we didn't know if we could pull it off, and that was exciting for us to see if we could do it. And this is the perfect place to make that happen. And I love the fact that you are allowed to climb it, or you're allowed to be a part of it. And actually, what is true about this piece is that it's only brought fully to life when people are there connecting with it physically and emotionally, or however you have it.